Hey there, my name is David Langford, and if you've ever wondered how to earn money on affiliate marketing but felt overwhelmed by all the hype and complicated advice out there, you're in the right place. Affiliate marketing is actually one of the simplest ways to start building an online business. Without creating your own product, without shipping anything, and without dealing with customer service headaches. In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. How affiliate marketing really works, the proven steps to start earning, and the number one thing that separates people who quit from those who succeed. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also give you access to my free 4-day mini-course, where I'll show you step-by-step how to get started the right way. First, let's keep it simple. Affiliate marketing means you recommend a product or service you believe in. Someone clicks your unique affiliate link. When they buy, you get paid a commission. That's it. No need to reinvent the wheel. Companies already spend billions on advertising every year, and as an affiliate, you get to tap into that system. Imagine this. Instead of just being a consumer online, you become a partner, earning money by connecting people with solutions they already want. Here's why affiliate marketing is such a powerful business model. 1. Low risk, low cost. You don't need inventory, employees, or a huge budget. 2. Scalable. Once you set up the right system, the same effort can reach 100 people or 10,000. 3. Works in any niche. Health, wealth, relationships, hobbies, you choose what excites you. Now, does this mean it's a get-rich-quick scheme? Absolutely not. Like any business, it takes effort and consistency. But if you're willing to commit and learn the right strategies, the rewards can be life-changing. Okay, so how do you actually earn money with affiliate marketing? Here's the roadmap. Step 1. Pick a niche. Don't try to sell everything to everyone. Focus on one area, like making money online, fitness, or personal development. The best way to choose a niche is to pick something you truly love or feel connected to. If you already have knowledge or experience in that field, perfect. You can share your insights and speak with confidence. If you don't know much yet, that's fine too. Learn as you go, and because you're passionate about the topic, you'll actually enjoy the process. Your niche can be anything: dog training, home design, gardening, cooking, photography. The possibilities are endless. Step 2. Choose products to promote. These could be digital courses, software, or even physical products. The key is simple. Make sure they genuinely help people and solve real problems. Step 3. Build your platform. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel like this one, or even just a simple landing page where people sign up to your email list. Step 4. Drive traffic. You need eyeballs. That can be free traffic, like YouTube, TikTok, blogging, or paid ads. Both work. The key is consistency. Step 5. Nurture your audience. This is where most beginners fail. They just post a link and pray for sales. But the real secret is trust. When people trust you, they click your link and they buy. That's why I always say, it's not just about strategies, it's about developing the right mindset, the winner's mindset. Here's the truth most gurus don't talk about. Success in affiliate marketing is 80% mindset, 20% tactics. Why? Because you will face obstacles. Your first video might flop. Your first ad might not work. You might feel stuck. But don't worry. In my 4-day mini-course, I'll walk you through the exact method that transformed me from a confused, struggling beginner into a profitable affiliate marketer. And the best part? The system is super simple. Now, I want to help you go deeper. I've created a free 4-day mini-course where I'll show you the exact system successful affiliates use to make money, the 3 big mistakes most beginners make, and how to avoid them, why affiliate marketing is the best online business model for beginners, and the system that completely changed my life. This is the training I wish I had when I started, and it's yours, completely free. Just click the link in the description below, sign up with your email, and I'll send you the first lesson today. So if you're serious about learning how to earn money with affiliate marketing, take this step right now. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. The opportunity is here. You just need to grab it. Remember, success doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from starting, learning, and growing as you go. Affiliate marketing is simple, it's proven, and it's possible for you. I can't wait to see you inside the mini-course. And before you go, I truly hope you enjoyed today's video and that it gave you clarity and real value. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, so you'll never miss when I post new videos that can move you forward. Until next time, keep moving forward, keep believing in yourself, and let's build something amazing together.